Hi, and welcome to loansforpoorcredit.net. My name is Kelly, and today, I would like to tell you about payday loans. Lenders have started providing loans to people with less than perfect credit once again. Your bank may be willing to provide a loan, but you may have to fill out loads or complicated paperwork, or be asked to provide collateral or a cosigner with a high credit score. Your finances will be reviewed and you will have to go through a credit check, and wait for at least a week while your application is being processed. If you have bad credit, be cautious about taking on additional debt. Bad credit payday loans come with higher rates and fees than regular loans, so they must be paid back quickly. Extending payday loans can be costly and you risk getting stuck in a debt trap. Avoid taking payday loans frequently from multiple lenders. Shop around and compare offers from a few reputable lenders. A reputable financial counselor can help you to gain control over your finances. To get a free, no-obligation quote from a reputable lender who specializes in providing bad credit payday loans, please fill out our short online form. It is that simple. Thank you for watching this video.